In this video, we will be looking at an Arduino-based tile tower game. Open the Arduino IDE and click on Files. Head over to Examples and navigate to Tile Tower program. This project displays the Tile Tower game on the OLED display. The game is controlled using an IR remote. It is a classic falling block puzzle game similar to Tetris. Upon powering up, the OLED display will show the STEM Smart Labs logo for 2 seconds. After the logo, the OLED will display the game title, Tile Tower, for 1 second. Within the white border, a randomly selected tile will appear at the top center of the board, beginning its descent. During gameplay, a single tile will continuously fall from the top of the screen and then stop at the bottom. By pressing the left or right buttons on the IR remote, the user can move the blocks. By pressing the down button, the blocks fall faster. If the user presses the OK button, then the block will fall instantly. If a complete horizontal line of blocks is formed, then the line will instantly disappear and all the blocks will shift towards the empty space. If the newly spawned tiles collide with the existing blocks, forming a stack and raising the top of the screen, then the game ends by printing a game over message. This program is a great way to understand how IR sensors and OLED displays work. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.